guys, the mystery box is here. The February 2018 mystery box. Let's get right to it. You get 2 rolls of glitter iron-on. These are not the same color. You get jade and you get green. Awesome. These are iron-on. Use with your easy press. You also get pens. This big pack of pens. You get gold, silver, and black. You also get the calligraphy set. Look, all those sizes. These are fun. You also get the basic Brights sampler. You get 3 12 by 24. Each of these colors are 12 by 24. You get cranberry, azure, and sunshine, and a 12 by 24 of transfer tape. That's not all. You also get green glitter vinyl. And this is one of my favorite packs of poster board. I love these colors. These colors are so much fun. I made this frame from the green poster board that came from that pack. I love this poster board. Are you ready for this one? You get a 12 by 24 purple mat. This is the Stronghold mat. 12 by 24. And it's all shipped to you free when you use my code Melody Lane. You get 10% off and free shipping. If you have Cricut access, you get another 10% off and free shipping with my code. And if you have Circle membership, it's even another 10% off. This is a value of over $100 for only $34.95. All right, guys, click my link in the description and it gives me just a little bit of commission. And don't forget to use my code. That saves you money.